Iran. Iran's economy is shaped largely by its vast reserves of oil and natural gas, which have played a central role in its development over the past century. Energy exports have historically provided a major source of government revenue, funding infrastructure, industry, and public services. The country's position in the Middle East also places it within important global energy routes, giving it strategic importance in international markets and influencing regional economic dynamics. Beyond energy, Iran maintains a diverse domestic economy that includes manufacturing, agriculture, and services. Industries such as automotive production, steel, and petrochemicals contribute to economic activity, while agriculture supports food production across different regions with crops like wheat, rice, and fruits. Over time, economic growth has been influenced by global politics and trade limitations, which have shaped how the country interacts with international markets. Despite these challenges, Iran continues to rely on both its natural resources and internal industries to sustain its economy and support long-term development. Pakistan. Pakistan's economy is built around agriculture, textiles, and a growing services sector that continues to expand in urban areas. Farming remains a key part of daily life, producing crops such as wheat, rice, and cotton, which support both domestic consumption and export markets. Cotton is especially important, as it feeds into a large textile industry that manufactures garments and fabrics for global trade. This sector provides employment to millions and plays a central role in the country's economic structure. At the same time, cities like Karachi, Lahore, and Islamabad have developed into major economic centers with growing industries in banking, telecommunications, and commerce. Infrastructure projects, transportation networks, and regional trade connections are gradually improving economic activity. As the country continues to develop, it is working to strengthen its industrial base while balancing traditional agriculture with modern services and manufacturing. Bangladesh. Bangladesh's economy has expanded rapidly through its garment manufacturing industry, which has become one of the largest in the world. Over the past few decades, the country positioned itself as a key supplier of affordable clothing, exporting products to major global brands and retailers. This industry has created employment for millions of workers and has been a major driver of economic progress and urban development. Alongside manufacturing, Bangladesh has agriculture, fisheries, and a steadily growing services sector. The country's large population provides a strong labor force, which has supported industrial expansion and economic growth. Improvements in infrastructure, energy supply, and digital connectivity have also played a role in supporting development. While challenges such as population density and environmental risks remain, Bangladesh continues to strengthen its position as an important manufacturing economy in global markets. Philippines. The Philippines has an economy driven by services, remittances, and a growing digital sector that connects it to global markets. Many Filipinos work abroad and send money back home, creating a steady flow of income that supports families and drives domestic consumption. This system of remittances has become a defining feature of the country's economic structure and plays a major role in maintaining stability. In addition, the Philippines has developed a strong outsourcing industry, providing customer service, technical support, and administrative services for companies worldwide. Cities such as Manila and Cebu have become hubs for these operations, supported by a large English-speaking workforce. Agriculture and manufacturing still contribute to the economy, but services remain the dominant force, shaping how the country grows and integrates into the global economy. Malaysia. Malaysia's economy is a combination of natural resources, manufacturing, and international trade. The country produces oil, natural gas, and palm oil, which are exported to global markets and contribute significantly to national income. These resources have helped support infrastructure development and industrial growth over time. At the same time, Malaysia has built a strong manufacturing sector focused on electronics, machinery, and industrial components, supplying products to international markets. Its strategic location in Southeast Asia places it along major shipping routes, making trade and logistics important parts of economic activity. Urban areas such as Kuala Lumpur have grown into financial and business centers, supporting services, investment, and technology industries. This balance between resources, industry, and trade has helped Malaysia maintain steady and stable economic development. United Arab Emirates. The United Arab Emirates built its economy on oil but has gradually transformed into a more diversified system with multiple industries. Oil revenues allowed the country to invest heavily in infrastructure, turning cities like Abu Dhabi and Dubai into modern economic centers with advanced transportation and global connectivity. These investments created the foundation for future growth beyond energy. Today, sectors such as tourism, aviation, finance, and real estate play major roles in the economy. Dubai, in particular, has become a global hub for business, attracting multinational companies and visitors from around the world. Large-scale development projects, international trade zones, and modern infrastructure have helped position the country as a key center for commerce. This shift toward diversification has allowed the United Arab Emirates to reduce reliance on oil while continuing to grow economically. Norway. Norway's economy is closely tied to oil and gas production from the North Sea, which has generated significant national wealth over several decades. Unlike many resource-based economies, Norway carefully manages this income through a sovereign wealth fund that invests in global markets. This approach helps preserve wealth for future generations while maintaining economic stability. In addition to energy, Norway has industries in shipping, fisheries, and renewable energy. The country places strong emphasis on sustainability and environmental responsibility, balancing economic growth with long-term planning. Government policies support high living standards, strong public services, and stable institutions. This combination of resource management and careful planning has made Norway one of the most prosperous and stable economies in the world. Israel. Israel's economy is driven by technology, innovation, and research, making it one of the most advanced in terms of knowledge-based industries. Despite having limited natural resources, the country has built a strong high-tech sector focused on software, cybersecurity, and advanced technologies. This growth has been supported by investment in education, research institutions, and a culture that encourages entrepreneurship. Cities like Tel Aviv have developed into major centers for startups and venture capital, attracting global investors and companies. In addition to technology, Israel has industries in defense, agriculture, and pharmaceuticals, each contributing to economic activity. The country's ability to innovate and adapt has allowed it to build a modern economy that is highly connected to global technological development. Greece. Greece's economy is shaped by tourism, shipping, and services, which together form the foundation of economic activity. The country attracts millions of visitors each year, drawn to its islands, historical landmarks, and cultural heritage. Tourism supports a wide network of businesses, including hotels, restaurants, and transportation services. Shipping is another key part of the economy, with Greek-owned fleets playing a major role in global maritime trade. Agriculture also contributes, producing products such as olives, wine, and fruits that are exported internationally. Although Greece has faced economic challenges in the past, these core industries continue to support recovery and provide a stable base for future growth. Colombia. Colombia's economy is built on natural resources, agriculture, and a growing services sector that continues to expand in urban areas. The country produces oil, coal, and coffee, which are exported to international markets and contribute significantly to national income. Coffee, in particular, has long been a symbol of Colombian agriculture and plays an important role in global trade. In recent years, Colombia has expanded into manufacturing, finance, and technology. Cities like Bogotá and Medellín have developed into economic centers, supporting business growth, innovation, and investment. Improvements in infrastructure, security, and connectivity have helped attract both domestic and international investment. This combination of traditional industries and modern development has allowed Colombia to strengthen its position in regional and global markets.